Welcome to Hamburg, Germany. Going to Hamburg, the Germany's gateway to the world. Here comes the train. This is Deutsche Bahn or German train, a fast train. The speed almost touches 260 kilometers per hour. Hamburg is a beautiful port city in North Germany, which is connected to the North Sea by the Elbe River. It is country's largest seaport and third busiest in Europe. With the mighty Elbe River at its doorstep, the Eyster Lakes in the middle, and beautiful canals traversing its districts, Hamburg is the busiest city for water lovers. We roamed around and saw Hamburg City Hall, St. Nicholas Church, Planten and Blumen Botanical Garden, Eilster Lake, and even took a boat trip in Eilster Lake. But this video is about the places nearer around River Elbe. We reached the banks of Elbe River at London's Broken. It is the northern part of the port of Hamburg. London's Broken means the landing bridges. Earlier, they were the landing pier for steamships. They are St. Pauli piers, often referred as London's Broken. There are 10 floating piers or platforms. We can take ferry trips or harbor trip from the pier to explore the river or just stroll along its banks. Since we had taken the Eyster Lake boat trip, we thought of taking a stroll along the bank. There are even ferry rides from here over the Elbe River to the musical theatre show on the Disney movie The Lion King. There is an entrance to the Elbe Tunnel at the western end of the London's Broken. From the London's Broken piers in St. Pauli, we can reach the southern banks of Elbe River through the St. Pauli Elbe Tunnel. The observation platform after crossing gives magnificent panoramic views of the city. It is the shortest route between the port and the heart of Hamburg. The tunnel was opened in 1911 but refurbished and opened again in 2019 to the public after 8 years of work. The length of this tunnel is 426.5 meters and it is 23.5 meters below the sea. There are separate paths for pedestrians and cyclists. 6 large lifts on either side of the tunnel carry people and vehicles to the bottom. A total of 360,000 tiles were laid inside the tunnel during the refurbishing. We can walk up the tunnel and reach the other side, that is the southern bank of the Elbe River. Many boats and ferries passing by in the river in the backdrop of a clear skyline of Hamburg was a lovely sight. Now we proceed to see the dazzling glass landmark right in the middle of Elbe River, that is Elbe Philharmonie Plaza. This glassy construction resembles a hoisted sail or an iceberg resting on an old brick warehouse. Designed by the Swiss architects Herzog and de Meuron, this concert hall is nicknamed as Elfi. A long escalator takes you up. Then it offers breathtaking 360-degree views of Hamburg at a height of 37 meters. The building has 26 floors. It has a grand hall and a recital hall and about 1,000 curved glass windows cover it. As we came away, we walked over the Mahatma Gandhi Bridge connecting the Elbe Philharmonie to Hafen City. Felt very happy and great walking over the bridge. Thanks to my sister, Dr. Meera Ramesh, for arranging such an enjoyable trip to Hamburg. If you enjoyed the video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.